Hi, everyone. Excuse me. I am Paula Bull. I am your instructor for Nursing 367. So there are only three of you in this class, and we are going to be working through this together. McKendree has switched from Blackboard to Brightspace, and I understand that you did not receive any formal training. So I just completed 2 weeks of training at the end of last week. Plus, we have totally, or I have been charged with totally revising this course. So there are going to be two things that you need to succeed in this course with me. It is flexibility and communication. I will be honest with you because of certain problems in the course we had before. This is still in the development stage, and we will work through it together. Right now, for what you need to do for the future, we have modules 1, 2, and 3 complete, and they're there. All the modules are there for your review, as is the calendar. I'm not one to put anything back. So things will change in the calendar as we go along. What will not change will be the assignments and the points assigned to them. So just to get you started and get through the first module as I continue to build this course and we continue to learn together Brightspace, I wanted to go through how to get started in this and welcome you to the course. So first of all, your go-to screen is going to look like this. And you're going to go right here and click on the sky for your course. Then you're going to get some chiclets. We call these chiclets right here, and you're going to start here. If you click on that, that's going to take you to the start here. Here you will find your syllabus. If you click on it, it'll pop up, and this is linked, and so you'd have to open it naturally. All right. So there's the syllabus for you to review. And now we're going to go back to Brightspace, hopefully with any luck at all. Yeah, well, not so much. Okay, here we go again. Sorry, guys. As I said, we are all learning this together. So hope you had a good summer while I'm getting there. Okay, back to Brightspace. I meant to click out that syllabus, but it didn't work out. So, and my contact information is under instructor. I do text. If you text me, tell me who you are, okay? Because I won't know, just from a number. But I'm happy for you to text or call me anytime. If I can't talk at the time, I will get back to you. So then the next place you would go would be rubrics. Right now, the only rubric that's there and the only one that you need to worry about is the rubric for the discussion. And here it is. You will have a discussion every week. Your initial discussion needs to be substantial, comprised of 300 words. Addressing the initial topic and demonstrating understanding of the weekly concepts. Because this is a research class and you're going to be researching so much articles, I did not require that you support your topic with a scholarly source. So you don't need that for the topic. You do need to answer one other student. Since there are only 3 of you in the class, it would be nice if like A answered B, B answered C, C answered A. But because what I would like to avoid, if we can, is everybody, two people exchanging and the other person not having anybody to discuss with. However, you do need to post your initial topic by Wednesday, and then you have to have your response there by Sunday. All right. I don't think this is too bad, so we'll go on. All right. So that's to get you started. Other rubrics will appear there over time, and I will tell you when they do. So this is what to know about learning at McKendree. This is, you can click on this, and this is your calendar. Right now, when you click on it, I'm going to also email you all a copy so you can easily print it. But the first, I'm pretty sure the due dates and the points are not going to change. What may change is after the 3rd week, reading materials, or I may add another website, I may add a short recording, things like that. But you will find them in the modules, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So this is your calendar. As I said, I will email this to all of you so you can print it easily. because the way it was uploaded to Brightspace, I don't think it's easily printable. All right, so we're done with the start here. You can also go up here and find different things. Let's say you just want to go to the discussions, go right here. So there's two ways to get anything, and here is your first discussion board. If you want to just go to content, go right here, and that's going to take you over to the table of contents, and here's going to be your modules. All right, so module 1 is right here, and these are your activities. So this is about being introduced to APA and learning about plagiarism. And you have 2 articles to read, which I'll show you in a minute. And then you have some APA manual excerpts. So there's a short APA quiz. It's not that hard. You have a plagiarism tutorial, and this is like self-guided. So you go through it, and at the end, you print your certificate and you upload it. I have stuck the modules, like module 1 is under content, and then the content, that was your calendar. Here's content, sorry. And here's your articles, here's your writing resources, here are the APA manual excerpts, and here's the link to plagiarism tutorial. So it's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any problems, again, contact me. And then after that, after the content, the writing resources, and all of that, you have your assignments. So there's always a discussion board. Here's your APA quiz, and here's your plagiarism tutorial. And you can click on these and it will take you in there and tell you what to do. So that is going to get you started on the first module. Feel free to tootle around in the course, play around, give me a ring if this doesn't work for you. As I said, this course is a work in progress. It is not complete past module 3. You will be having, you will get rubrics for every assignment that you do. So that's your overview, and I hope to see you in class. Thank you.